Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at semiconductors, that is Nvidia, AMD, SMCI, ARM, Broadcom and Micron. Market has been super strong today. Nvidia, this is something I already called out over the weekend, $106, the game-changing level. Above this we'll see massive moves and things will turn from bearish weightage to bullish weightage, and wow, look at the weightage, it turned into the bullish momentum. 20 days moving average got above this as well today, testing almost, well, we are getting very close to the next significant level, that is $118. Very strong move on Nvidia. Pivots are still holding strong. There is no structure to the downside. Everything is bullish. So tomorrow, at this point, guys, any pullback as if it comes, as long as we continue to stay above 20 days moving average, we are just bullish. Nvidia is still just an upside play. So the level to watch tomorrow is 180, right? We have a 50 days moving average there, but that's fine. We are so strong right now, even on the hourly interval. You can look at that. There is not a single candle that came to the downside. Everything is still super strong here, up here, right? Any pullback tomorrow, if it comes, that's fine. The 20 hours moving average, you can see if pullback continues to hold above 20 hours moving average, that's just a pullback and we can continue higher. Now, there's one more thing important to watch tomorrow is 118. If you see there is not a pullback tomorrow first, but what Nvidia does in the pre-market crawls up but slows down around 118. If Nvidia does that and then you start to see a sort of structure like wicks forming, double bottom formings on the lower time frame, things slowing down here, and then it breaks the level to the downside like 116, some cool off may come for the rest of the day. That's also a possibility around 118. But that cool off will not eventually turn Nvidia bearish. That will just be a cool off to catch up to 20 hours moving average. So what I'm trying to explain you is there is a difference of how the price action may react in two ways, either in the pre-market. If in the pre-market it continues to go up, some weakness or cool off may happen here, 118. If it does a pullback in the pre-market, then we can continue higher. So what I'm trying to say, this pullback can either happen in the later in the market or before the market, right? The pre-market time. So, and accordingly make your decision. But $118 level is the level I'm watching. And then after 118, if it happens tomorrow, that's fine. If it just break out and above, then it opens up the door to 108 and 22 again. What I'm also explaining you that is eventually, no matter what happens before or after, Nvidia can still remain bullish and is bullish in the overall structure again after getting above 106 and getting above it, as long as it stays above 20 days moving average. Now for days to come, it's just bullish here. All right, so that's Nvidia. Let's take a look at AMD. AMD finally did that test today with the 20 days moving average after getting above this pivot of 136 and 71 cents area. And this is something I have been saying about this, is that 20 days moving average. Now from here, yes, AMD can continue to stay bullish in an uptrend as long as we don't break below the level of 136 and 82 cents again. And then after that is just level by level, the next level. As if we get above 20 days moving average and 141 area tomorrow, then the next level to watch is 145. All right, so it's very simple and it's not complicated to trade, but just watch this level tomorrow. This is the level to watch for the upside. If we sell off, but as I said, if we stay above 136 and 74 cents, this structure is not weak. This structure still has a potential to go up, but we'll have to see then on the lower time frame if if the structure here is weak enough or strong enough. All right, but we'll have to see if that happens. SMCI on the other hand is weak. It's still weak into the rebound as well. It just today did some courtesy rally with other stocks, but it's not a strong structure. But at this point, as long as it can stay above 529 for a couple of days, rebound is a possibility, but nothing more than that, guys. We are still below 200 hours moving average. Very simply, two levels you can watch. If we get above tomorrow 582 and 91 cents, it can continue up to 200 hours moving average. If we break below 20 hours moving average, then unfortunately 50 hours moving average is the level to watch. All right, so that's on that's with SMCI. It's very simple with SMCI. Taking a look at ARM. So ARM finally did that. It got above that 121, closed above this. As long as it now stays above 120 or 121, this blue box zone, the next target is 20 days moving average. This thing is looking great. We got this consolidation at 200 days moving average, stayed above this trend line, and this thing is trying to get back up. And yeah, so, and also you can see if tomorrow we stay above 200 hours moving average and eventually stay above 121 and 40 cents, it's just into through the pullbacks, can continue higher. It's just still bullish technically in my opinion. All right, ARM. Yes, ARM can rebound and continue higher as long as it stays above those levels that I just provided. Broadcom. So this was already bullish, as I said, above blue box, and the next level to watch was above 150 all the way to 156. We got that today. This is a strong pivot area as well, so we are just right at that level. Now the next move is that above 156. The next level open up will be 161, but it's an upside play. I would not touch it to the downside anymore. Well, even into these pivots, I was saying it's not a downside play, it's just an upside play. And as long as we stay above 150 now from where the price is, I'm not worried on the structure. All right. Micron. All right, Micron rebound continues to happen above this level of 93 and 58 cents, and above this level I talked about, it has opened up the door to 101. Let's see if it continues that run, and it may very well. This rebound seems like today also got bought back up. Yep, so this is where, let's see if we head all the way to 101. As long as we don't break below at this point 93 and 58 cents from where we are still fine. Let's take a look at on hourly interval, and for tomorrow you can watch if we get above 200 hours moving average, it's just a leg run up. If we reject at 200 hours moving average, break the levels to the downside, you're watching then 20 hours moving average as if it finds support there again. That will be just technically a pullback. You can follow this particular 20 hours moving average, you can follow that. But yes, it's in the rebound phase, and yeah, let's see if it come all the way to $101. But that was pretty much the rebound started, guys. That level I provided $93.58 above, right? All right, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care.